order to create a form that looks similar to mine that allows people who visit your website to ask questions, we're going to actually make it in Google and then embed it in our Weebly. This tutorial will show you how to make a basic form just to get the questions, and there'll be other tutorials that can help you get your logo in, change question fonts and colors, and then a third video that'll show you how to embed. Make sure you watch all of them so that you follow my directions while I'm gone. To create a form, you need to start in your Drive. Go to New, and you want Google Forms. I had to go all the way to More on mine. The first thing I need to do is I need to give it a name. I would title yours Business Name, and you insert whatever your business name, Contact Us. So you'll see on mine, I had Selma Dog Walkers contact form. You can call it Contact Us or Contact Form. I don't care. The next thing you need to do is make sure this top box is checked. That will ensure that only people in Selma Unified can see it in case somebody stumbles across it. They give you one sample question. If you're copying my form or you're using some of the suggestions I gave you, the first question was to ask for somebody's first name. I always ask for first name and last name, and I do it in separate boxes. I put my text, that's what my people will see, and I want to make sure that I give them the right question type so that they can type something in. I'm just going to choose text because that will give me a small box. You'll notice over here, it's just a small box. If I was to choose paragraph text, that would give them a lot more space, and I don't want them to think they had to type a whole bunch. So I'm just going to go text, and I'm going to require that they answer this question. I don't want somebody to just send me their phone number and not give me their name. I am done with that question. You could click on Add Item, and if you did that, it will create an item that is the same type as up here. So if this was text, if I click Item again, it will give me, okay, I lied. It's supposed to give me text. I hate when Google messes with me. All right, so now my next question is going to be last name, and this is also required. Let's go back to mine. I've asked for their name, and then I want to know what they're interested in. If you are offering services, things that you do for other people, then you would list those services here. So Gladys may put cakes for birthdays, cakes for quinceañeras, which I guess is a type of birthday, custom cakes. Let's see, Jasmine, because she's selling books, she wouldn't want to list every single title of her book. So you may put request a title, or have a question. Something so that your users, it's customized to your business. If you'll notice on mine that I have a second page, always capitalize your name. I have a second page, and what I've done is I've forced my users, they have to answer these questions before they can move on. The next one I've done, this is multiple choice, is I've asked them the best way to contact them. So I'm going to leave your services, I'm just going to write services, and you need to customize it for your business. And then in each one of these, you would put the option. I chose checkboxes because that allows people to select more than one item. And I'm making this required. My next question had to do with how people wanted to be contacted. I like to give people an option. Some people like email, some people like to speak on the phone, other people just like a text. So I've asked people which way is the best way to contact them. So I'm going to make a new question. I'm going to use multiple choice, and I'm going to say contact preference. You do not have to do this. You could just say contact info. Please provide me with your contact information. And that wouldn't be multiple choice, that would be a text box. If I want to see what it looks like, I click View Live Form. There we go. You'll notice on mine that if I've chosen one of these, it then goes to another page that asks for the text number. If I switch this to email, it takes you to a page that asks for email. I'm offering extra credit for whoever can figure this out. So it'll be 10 points extra credit for whoever can customize the contact information. I won't be here to show you how to do it, so you've got a machine in front of you that you can look it up on. So this tutorial was how to create a basic Google form.